Hello. In this video, we'll introduce some common fruits you'll often see in Thailand and how they're eaten. Let's also learn their Thai names and unique characteristics together. Here's a quiz. Can you guess what this fruit is? It's a very popular fruit in Thailand. It's sweet, yellow, and has a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Do you know what it is? The correct answer is mango. In Thai, it's called
มะม่วงมะม่วง
Mangoes are known for their sweet fragrance and rich, melt-in-your-mouth texture when ripe. On the other hand, there are also green mangoes with a slightly sour taste that offer a refreshing flavor. Let's look at some ways to enjoy mangoes. First, eating it fresh. Just peel the skin and slice it. Next, eating it with sticky rice. This is a famous Thai dessert where sweet glutinous rice is topped with coconut milk and served with ripe mango. Green mangoes are commonly eaten with nam plawan, a sweet and salty dipping sauce. And finally, mangoes can also be enjoyed as juice or smoothies, a rich, tropical drink that's perfect for hot days. Alright, here's a quiz. Have you seen this big fruit that just appeared on the screen? It has a spiky outer skin and is famous for its strong smell. So, what's the name of this fruit? It's a very popular fruit in Thailand. The correct answer is durian. In Thai, it's called
ทุเรียนทุเรียน
It's known as the king of fruits, famous for its strong smell and rich, creamy taste. With a custard-like sweetness and texture, it's a fruit that people either love or hate. There are many ways to enjoy durian. First, you can simply eat the flesh as it is. It's also enjoyed as a dessert called khao niao durian *, which pairs durian with sticky rice. When frozen, the smell becomes milder and the texture turns almost like sorbet. Durian is also made into chips, candies, and other snacks, making it easy to enjoy in different forms. Alright, here comes the next question. This fruit has a shiny, deep purple skin and a round shape. At the top, there's a stem that looks like a little crown. When you open it, you'll find several segments of white flesh inside. It's sweet, juicy, and often called the queen of fruits. What fruit is this? The correct answer is mangosteen. In Thai, it's called
มังคุดมังคุด
It has a sweet and tangy, juicy flesh with a refreshing and elegant aroma. The flesh is white and soft, with a texture similar to lychee. To eat it, start by making a cut in the skin on either the top or bottom, then gently twist it open by hand. Take out the white segments inside and eat them as they are. Chilling it in the fridge makes it even more refreshing and delicious. You can also enjoy it in smoothies, jellies, or fruit salads. Here's another quiz. This fruit is commonly seen in markets across Thailand. Its flesh is very juicy and has a striking red color. So, what is this fruit called? The correct answer is rambutan. In Thai, it's called
เงาะ เงาะ
This cute fruit is known for its red skin covered with soft, hair-like spines. It has a sweet and juicy taste, similar to lychee, with a refreshing sweetness. Make a cut in the skin and gently open it by hand. Inside, you'll find shiny white flesh. You can eat it as is or enjoy it chilled. It also goes great in desserts like jellies and ice cream. Alright, here's the next fruit quiz. This fruit has a red skin with small bumps and can be easily peeled by hand. Inside, it's white, juicy, and sweet, with a floral-like fragrance. So, what fruit is this? The correct answer is lychee. In Thai, it's called
ลิ้นจี่ ลิ้นจี่
Lychee is sweet and juicy, with a delicate floral fragrance. The white flesh is soft with a slightly bouncy texture. It's delicious on its own, but chilling it brings out the aroma even more. It's also perfect for jellies, yogurt toppings, and juices. Here's a question. Have you seen this fruit before? It's very commonly eaten in Thailand, and you'll find both ripe and unripe green, ones sold in markets. Some are sweet and melt in your mouth, while others are crisp and often used in salads. So, what is this fruit called? The correct answer is papaya. In Thai, it's called
มะละกอ มะละกอ
Ripe papaya is sweet and has a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Its yellow or orange flesh is very juicy and delicious. Just peel and slice it, and it's ready to enjoy as is. Green papaya is also very popular in Thailand. It's used in a salad called som tam, known for its crunchy texture and spicy, tangy flavor that can be quite addictive. When made into juice, papaya turns into a rich, tropical drink, full of vitamins too. Here's a question. Can you guess what this fruit is? It has a rough, spiky skin with sharp green leaves, a very striking appearance. Inside, it's bright yellow with a sweet and tangy aroma. In Thailand, it's often used in juices, smoothies, and even stir-fried dishes. So, what's the answer? The correct answer is pineapple. In Thai, it's called
สับปะรด สับปะรด
The taste is sweet, tangy, and juicy, with a refreshing aroma and a hint of acidity. When fully ripe, it becomes much sweeter and incredibly delicious. The first way to enjoy it is eating it fresh. Peel off the skin, remove the core, and cut it into rings or bite-sized pieces. Sprinkling a little salt is a popular way to enhance the sweetness. The second way is to chill it in the fridge. Cooling brings out a sweeter and more refreshing flavor. The third way is to turn it into juice or a smoothie. Mix it with other fruits to create a tropical drink. The fourth way is to use it in cooking. It goes well in dishes like sweet and sour pork, salads, and stir-fries. Grilling it as a side for meat dishes is also highly recommended. Here's a question. This green fruit is very commonly seen in Thai markets. It's about the size of your palm and shaped like a pear. You can eat it with the skin on, and it has a slightly crunchy texture. In Thailand, it's often eaten with a dip made of salt, chili, and sugar. So, what is this fruit called? The correct answer is guava. In Thai, it's called
ฝรั่ง ฝรั่ง
Guava is a fruit known for its gentle sweetness and light tanginess. When ripe, the flesh becomes softer and sweeter. In Thailand, it's commonly eaten with the skin on, paired with a dip called *frikgluya*, which is a mix of salt, sugar, and chili. It's also great when cut and chilled, or turned into juice, smoothies, jams, or candies. Here's a question. Can you tell what fruit is in this photo? It's a large green fruit, and inside, you'll find many long, yellow pods. It has a unique smell and is often seen at Thai street stalls and markets. So, what fruit is this? The correct answer is jackfruit. In Thai, it's called
ขนุน ขนุน
Jackfruit is known for its sweet and rich flavor. It has an aroma similar to banana or pineapple, and the flesh is chewy and springy in texture. You can eat the flesh as it is or chill it and enjoy it like a dessert. Unripe jackfruit is also used in savory dishes like curries. It's a popular fruit both for those who love sweet treats and those who enjoy cooking. Here's a question. What is this large fruit in the photo? It has a very thick, rough outer skin. When you open it, you'll find large, pod-like segments of flesh inside. The taste is refreshing, similar to citrus fruits. So, what could it be? The correct answer is pomelo. In Thai, it's called
ส้มโม ส้มโม
Pomelo looks similar to grapefruit, but has less bitterness, making it easier to enjoy. Its flesh is plump and juicy, with a nice balance of sweetness and sourness, giving it a refreshing taste. In Thailand, it's commonly eaten fresh after peeling or paired with a chili dip called nam phrik. It's also often used in a salad called *yam samo*, a popular Thai pomelo salad. In Thailand, it's common to see unripe fruits. Bananas and mangoes, for example, are often eaten while they're still green. In Japan, it's common to eat fruit after it's fully ripe. But in Thailand, people often eat fruit before it ripens. They enjoy it with a dip made of salt, sugar, and chili, or use it in salads as part of their food culture. When you see an unfamiliar fruit at a market or street stall, try asking this. What is this? In Thai, men say,
นี่อะไรครับ
and women say.
นี่อะไรคะ
Asking this can lead to interesting discoveries and new experiences. Here's a useful phrase you'll often use when shopping. How much is it? In Thai, men say.
เท่าไหร่ครับ
And women say.
เท่าไหร่คะ
Give it a try next time you want to ask the price. Next is a phrase you can use when asking to try a sample. Can I try it? In Thai, men say.
ชิมได้ไหมครับ
And women say.
ชิมได้ไหมคะ
If you find a fruit you're curious about, don't hesitate to ask. Next is a useful phrase when you want to ask for a discount. Can you lower the price a little? In Thai, men say.
ลดหน่อยได้ไหมครับ
And women say.
ลดหน่อยได้ไหมคะ
Bargaining is part of the fun at Thai markets, so try asking politely. Once you've decided what you want to buy, use this phrase. I'll take this, or I'd like this one. In Thai, men say.
เอาอันนี้ครับ
And women say.
เอาอันนี้ค่ะ
Speaking clearly helps make your shopping experience smoother. Here's a phrase to use when buying fruit and you want to know how it tastes. Is it sweet? In Thai, men say.
หวานไหมครับ
And women say.
หวานไหมคะ
Ask the seller about the sweetness to find the taste you like. Thank you for watching until the end. Did you enjoy learning about Thai fruits, how to eat them, and some useful Thai phrases in this video? Be sure to try using them at a market or street stall. That's all for now. Great job, and see you next time.